Siete su CarWhy, dove parliamo di auto elettriche, ibride full e plug-in. Oggi parliamo di Zeekr X, un'auto premium non ancora venduta in Italia, che ho potuto provare ad Amsterdam a Fully Charged Live. A dispetto del marchio appena nato, avere alle spalle il gruppo giri come Smart, Volvo, Polestar, Lynk & Co e altre ha permesso di produrre già da subito modelli di lusso, con design particolare e curato, tetto panoramico, scritte esterne retroilluminate, cerchi in Lega 19, maniglia scomparsa, specchietti e finestrini senza cornici, rivestimenti ovunque in pelle e metallo, vano anteriore cavi e un solo allestimento, come Tesla. La piattaforma è la SEA, la stessa di Smart Hashtag One e Volvo X30 e permette un pavimento piatto con due scelte di motore e una unica batteria, nickel manganese cobalto, prodotta da CATL per un totale di 69 kWh. L'autonomia VLTP è di 440 o 400 per la versione dual motor che passa da uno 0-100 di 5,6 secondi ad appena 3,8. Vi lascio il test sottotitolato dall'inglese.
So, it's really cool. Tell me something about the car.
Yeah, so it's the compact city car from Zeekr. So the materials are very premium, so that's why it's also very quiet in the car. Yeah, so the soundproofing is really good. Well, it's fully electric, of course. This is the rear-wheel drive version, so you have 272 horsepower. So 0 to 100 is 5.2 seconds, but you're gonna feel that's enough for a car like this.
Sure.
Yeah, and it's all about the look and feel. That's very important for Zeekr.
I can feel it. Look
Yeah.
at how
Yeah.
cool is this design. It's really
It's like
simple.
copper. Yeah. Yeah, and it has everything like heated seats, cooled seats.
Really big mirrors.
Yeah.
Glass roof.
Yeah, glass roof, but it is sun. It keeps out the heat.
Yeah.
And I mean, you have things like this. Like this is the normal
Wow.
light, but you can also choose for like more
Warm.
ambience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has
Big
all.
bicolor LED.
Yeah, like girls can do their purse, hang it onto this. It's like to hold onto your purse.
Yeah.
Things like that. This is for your
Wow.
phone charger. This is for a double cup holder.
Yeah, sure.
I can open this part.
Wow.
Oh.
Lot of space.
This is for your sunglasses. Oh, yeah.
Wow, never seen like that, because usually this is the spot in which you don't have the
No, exactly. Yeah.
Because when you drive you don't need that. This is really clever. Really,
Yeah,
really
it has
clever.
all these clever. Well, it has the head-up display, of course.
Great,
Uh,
really great.
It has the screen here, like the Volvo EX30 doesn't have a screen there.
Okay, the driving position is fine both now and also like this. So the view is so good, you can adapt really well.
Yeah.
And auto windscreen with screen wipers. Sorry.
Yeah.
This is the gearbox.
The gearbox. Yeah.
Gearbox selector gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gear selector. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's
It
try
has
it.
the Yamaha 13 speaker sound system, so that's also very good.
Let's try something random, if we can. Online media, Spotify. Oh, we need
Yeah.
plugin. problem.
Best is
Interface is really like tablet.
yeah.
Probably is the radio the problem.
Yeah. You see, it doesn't.
You know, keeps getting back to the FM and well, no problem. Heated seats,
Yeah.
just like Tesla, and obviously if you need to defrost,
Yeah.
the 360 camera is really sweet. I can see everything. Let's look how it changes dynamically. Yeah, and you can also choose probably
The rear,
from here. Wow, you can have it full screen. This is cool.
the side, yeah, and
Yeah.
the 3D. Now you can see the car in 3D.
Wow. This is really cool. Oh yeah.
And it's up. Up
It's
is the reverse,
okay.
yeah.
Great.
For left.
Okay, I already like the feeling and also the materials for sure. Look at this. Usually you get, you know, the rub
Yeah.
in the hand one.
Yeah, that's it's all about the look and feel.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
slips in your hand when it needs to. Wow, really cool.
Okay, we turn to the right.
Sure.
And which car did you all drive today?
The Tesla Model 3 and
Mhm.
the Hyundai Ioniq 6.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the Model 3 is the updated version, right? The
Yeah,
Highland.
I tried at home the old one, and I can see the differences, but the feeling is not that different. It's the
You
exterior.
can release the brake now, it holds it for you.
Great. So auto braking,
Auto
even
brake, yeah, you
when
can see
you're
it
not
here.
uphill.
Yeah.
Great. And is reproducing the signals of the roads, I think.
Yeah, it has the
And-
camera.
Okay.
Actually, the camera can also turn it on if you want.
Wow.
dash
and
cam.
Yeah, dash cam, great.
And you have inside cam.
Does the dash cam record both inside and outside in the same time?
You can
Select it.
it. Yeah.
Great. So yeah, you can have every proof when an accident happens.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
And of course the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, sure. Wow. It's fast. It's really fast. The system is fast. How much is the cost for this car?
Yeah, so this one starts at 45.
Sure.
You have the all-wheel drive, that's around 50.
Okay. Does the all-wheel drive have more battery?
No.
Okay.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
No, it's a 69 kilowatt hours battery pack.
It sleeps better than the Ioniq 6 because they made it not to be driven fast but to be, you know, comfortable.
Efficient.
This
Yeah.
is and efficient, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
This is faster,
Faster,
instead.
And this is not even the fast one. Can you
Yeah.
imagine?
Yeah. The
But it's
AWD,
just fast enough.
It's
Especially
more,
for
it's
a car
plenty
like
fast.
this. Yeah.
Does the adaptive cruise control go to 0?
Yeah.
Okay, right. However, I like the feeling, even if it's a SUV, it doesn't you know, bend so much.
To the right. Yeah, like it's a firm and steady,
Okay. Yeah, really
steady
steady.
drive. Yeah. All right.
Let's go. Now. Let's brake. Yeah, really fast.
Yeah, follow the black car.
Okay. Wow, even the wheel is heated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it. Wow. I'd really like to have this in my car now.
Yeah.
Is this by radar or by camera?
Radar.
Radar, the clever way.
And you can see how many centimeters you have left.
Yeah, like in Tesla in the past, but they made the bad choice.
Yeah.
Now let's see with the future of that, obviously.